What's the meaning of baluster? Baluster. Baluster.
Baluster. Baluster. A baluster is a vertical support element commonly used in architecture, furniture, and railing systems. It is typically a small post or pillar with a distinctive shape, such as a vase, urn, or spindle. Balusters are commonly found in staircases, balconies, and decks, where they serve both a structural and decorative purpose. They help to support the weight of the structure while also adding visual interest and style. Balusters can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, metal, stone, and synthetic materials. They are often used in combination with rails and newels to create a unified and cohesive design.